So I shaved yesterday. Today I'm going to be doing what I call a touch-up shave. I've got just enough stubble that it's a little bit itchy. Have I shaved 7 days a week before and even twice a day? Yes, I have. That's the part that's real itchy. I'm going to be using the Death Grip Burn the Ships Shave Kit with safety razor and cinnamon scented shave soap. First, let's do something with this hair. Cinnamon burn the ships. Arg. Now load the brush. Matey. Add a tiny bit of water. Maybe a little more. Aerate and make more lather. Exfoliate and massage the skin. This is the Death Grip Burn the Ships Element Single Edge Safety Razor with flexing head. Tighten the skin to reduce skin irritation. Make butthole faces. Apply lather again. Tighten the skin to reduce skin irritation. Butthole faces. To clear up some confusion, where I've seen comments saying my razor must be dull if I have to shave in multiple directions, facial hair grows in multiple directions. For the closest shave, shave with, across, and against that stubble growth. Like marshmallow. Shave however you're most comfortable. If shaving the other directions irritates your face, I don't recommend that you do that. Make sure you use light pressure. More butthole faces. Nicks can and do happen, whether you have a skin imperfection, you tilt the blade, push too hard, or go too fast. This is an antiseptic alum block. Get it wet, rub it on your skin. I also like to follow that up with a shave oil like this from Death Grip. Someone asked me if this will sting a little bit if you have a nick. Yes, but it doesn't last very long. Now, you can leave that on for about 5 minutes and then wash it off, followed up with the shave oil that I showed before. This shave oil has African tea tree oil in it and is good for soothing your skin and helping to keep it from drying out. Does not hurt. My intent is not to sell you products, but to expose you to the wonderful world of wet shaving. I've enjoyed many benefits like less skin irritation, less ingrown hairs, less cost, and less waste. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Bob, and of course this is Elliot Norris, my mustache, wishing you a wonderfully bearded day. Who are you? That's it. Filming's done. Get out of here.
Who are you?